Chapter 5 Prepositions and Prepositional Phrases. Complete the sentence using suitable prepositions. First one, do his parents live in Ajmer? Second one, I think it's better if you take an umbrella with you. The bananas are in the bowl that is on the kitchen counter. Despite all his troubles, Ria still came to visit us yesterday. Everybody contributed for Palm's birthday except Ajay. He was on leave that day. Sixth one, Pranav and Priya are selling tickets for the dance show. I have ordered food from the new restaurant down the street. My mother has always acted as a friend and a mentor to me. Next, B main. Choose the correct answers to complete this sentence. Four options are given. You have to select one. Ruby couldn't concentrate on the performance. She had a lot on her mind. Please help Suresh. He is in a bit of fix over what to do for Naina's birthday. It is D. Third one, it is A. Outside food doesn't agree with me. Fourth one is about. I haven't met Jessie, but I have heard a lot about her. Fifth one, the chairperson should reach the venue by 6 o'clock. D. The option is D. Sixth one, the design on this bag reminds me of a scarf I used to own. B. There was a massive traffic jam on account of the rain. Eighth one, this time I ordered coffee instead of my regular tea at the coffee shop. The option is C instead of. Next, you have to circle the preposition phrases in this sentence. First one, we all were surprised at the news. Circle at the news. Second one, the actor playing the goblin was supposed to enter from the left side. Circle from the left side. Third one, in the evening, all the street lights are switched on. Circle in the evening. Fourth one, the umbrella on the counter was left behind by an old lady on the counter. Fifth one, Jackson has always felt inspired by Kalpana Chawla. To my surprise, Arun had already left for home. Circle for home. Despite all odds, the team kept winning. Circle despite all odds. The woman on the podium is one of the most respected scientists in India. In this sentence, circle on the podium. Okay. Next, we have here write whether the highlighted prepositional phrases are adjectives or adverb. In this D main, if the sentence is an adjective, you have to write adj. If the sentence is an adverb, you have to write adv. The first one, the book on the table belongs to my brother. In this sentence, the highlighted part is an adjective. The word the indicates the definite article. So write adj. Second one, the letter from my mother left me quite emotional. In this sentence, the highlighted part is adjective. The word my indicates the possessive. So write adj. Third one, Lalita is still quite tired from yesterday's football match. In this sentence, the highlighted part is adverb. So, the word yesterday represents time. So, write ADV. In the fourth sentence, right before class, Jatin felt sick. In this sentence, the highlighted part is adverb. The word before represents time. So, write ADV. Fifth sentence, last night my family went out for dinner at Joe's Pizza. In this sentence, the highlighted part is adjective. Joe's Pizza is the name of a particular building. So write ADJ. Sixth sentence, Shruti is resting at home today. In this sentence, the highlighted part is an adverb. Home represents place. So write ADV. The mushrooms in the vegetable curry weren't cooked well. In this sentence, the highlighted part is an adjective. The word vegetable indicates the quality of the curry. So write ADJ. The main The man with the serious face turned out to be kind and funny. In this sentence, the highlighted word is an adjective. The word serious indicates the quality of the face. So write ADJ. Next one, email. Write your own sentence using the prepositional phrases as indicated. With a smile. As an adverb is a prepositional phrase. Using as an adverb, you have to frame a sentence. Mother looked at me with a smile. In the cupboard, you have to write this prepositional phrase as an adjective. My books in the cupboard are safe. Third one, in an instance. As an adverb, we have to use this prepositional phrase as an adverb. Leave this place in an instance. Now page number 32. From the bright pink folder, we have to use this prepositional phrase as an adjective. The information from the bright pink folder is very good. The next one, fifth one, in the air. We have to use this prepositional phrase as an adverb. I saw a bird in the air. Sixth one, behind the door. We have to use this prepositional phrase as an adjective. The man behind the door is my friend. Seventh one, with a hug. We have to use this prepositional phrase as an adverb. She welcomed me with a hug. Eighth one, at the podium. We have to use this prepositional phrase as an adjective. The speaker at the podium is speaking now. Next one, complete this passage with suitable prepositional phrases from the box. You have to select the words, the prepositional phrases from the box, and you have to fill in the blanks. My room is small but very comfortable. There is one window in the room which lets in plenty of sunshine through the day. Above the window, I have hung a framed photograph of me with my family. Under the window, there is a bed where I spend most of my free time listening to music or reading my favorite books. Next to the bed, there is a small bedside table with a beautiful lamp. The lamp was gifted to me by my best friend on my last birthday. It is wooden and engraved with the beautiful design. The best thing in my room, though, is the bookcase on the left wall. It houses my precious collection. I have arranged all my books in alphabetical order. There is a big leather chair in front of the bookcase. I love spending time here in my own little heaven.